Hello, and thank you for tuning into this video. My name is Jaleesa. I am the Cash Flow Apprentice, as well as the CEO of Equip 3000 LLC. Now, let's go ahead and jump into today's video, which is all about the wonderful game of Cash Flow 101. The second benefit I want to talk about is developing strategic plans, because it exposes you to a variety of different strategies that are out there. In the game, there's wholesaling going on, there's rental properties that you can pick up, you can be able to fix and flip properties, you can get involved in multi-family units, you can buy entire businesses, franchises, right? You can buy partnerships with people, right? There's all kinds of things going on. And through this game, as far as playing it repetitively, you begin developing a pattern of success. For example, getting into the game, you may pick up 3 single-family homes, and then you sell one of those homes for profit. You take that profit, pocket it into a multi-family unit, say an 8 or 12 plex, and now you're cooking with gas. So now that I know where I am, I see this financial picture of my finances, I know where I want to go. Now it's a matter of how I can get there, right? What investments are going to take me there to increase my cash flow enough to where I can now live my life in the fast track. If you haven't had a chance to play the game, or you're interested in checking out some of our cash flow events, check out my website at www.equip3000.com for more information on our next cash flow adventures.